Ooh, look what I found.
My old hiccups! Hello there, little hiccups. I miss you so much. No, we didn't win the pageant, but neither did Ed, Richie, and Blake. Yep, everything did work out in the end.